The anticipation is over. We are here.
Hello, and thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. Today we are going to have a buttery and delicious Southern style cheddar cornbread. So go ahead and get your ingredients ready from the description box below, and let's start cooking. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to put all of our dry ingredients in first and mix them all together. Add our eggs one at a time. Half of the oil and half of the milk. This way everything won't be splashing all over your bowl when you start. Our delicious and buttery cornbread, and I always like to add a little butter to the top once I've finished baking, and it just gives it that delicious and buttery and crispy crunch. All right, well, thanks for joining us for this cornbread video, and so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.